Bullish Cardano, ADA, cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $1.69 and $3.19 by 2030. Market examiners accept ADA could reach $1.31 by 2025. Bearish Cardano market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.300232. Cardano, ADA, presentation. The digital currency market is increasing constantly. In any case, staying aware of this speedy industry is definitely not a simple assignment. Subsequently, numerous financial backers and brokers who need to exploit the market to create huge gains are drawn to Cardano. Stay close by for an intensive clarification of how Cardano cost expectation functions, its specialized investigation, and what's in store for Cardano in the event that you're attempting to enter the Cardano exchanging market. Yet, remember that assuming that you want long-haul achievement and benefits, exchanging digital currencies is a persevering undertaking that calls for both persistence and exploration. We should plunge profound into the blog entry to comprehend whether this coin appears to be legit for you. What is Cardano, ADA? Cardano, frequently known as the potential Ethereum executioner, stands high in the crypto market with secure blockchain innovation, progressive shrewd agreements, and application cases. Cardano, which exchanges under the image ADA, was presented by Charles Hoskinson and utilized a proof-of-stake component in which holders of the cash are accused of checking exchanges as a trade-off for a prize. The top digital currency trades permit you to take part in marking with no or little cost, making it an engaging choice to produce pay. Cardano's emphasis on peer-surveyed information and proof-based approaches in its advancement separates it from other cryptographic forms of money. Most of the digital money market goes quick, yet Cardano swings the alternate way. It moves all the more leisurely and deliberately. The benefit is that it improves designers' probability of recognizing likely dangers. Principal investigation. Cardano's unmistakable incentive is its irrefutable strength. They aren't meaning to catch the whole market for savvy contracts and dApps. All things considered, they focus on building a useful decentralized monetary area for the creating scene. The Cardano settlement layer and Cardano calculation layer setup keep up with everything coordinated and adaptable regarding innovation. The Cardano group has held the record part of the blockchain, announcing of worth, unmistakable from the process part of the blockchain because of their obligation to straightforwardness, why the worth was moved. Besides, Cardano pushes out around 700 commitments each week and arrives at roughly 100 and 150 engineers reliably dealing with the task. Because of these critical quantities of designers, the coin is probably going to overwhelm Ethereum in market strength and is the most effectively evolved blockchain project. Cardano is at present worth $0.375290 United States dollars. ADA has moved 4.57% as of now with an exchanging volume of $356,602,649. Cardano is right now positioned 8th among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $13,188,059,515 United States dollars. Using the general strength list, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal combination uniqueness, MACD, from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Cardano, ADA, to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Cardano, ADA, value expectation 2023. Cardano, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year, ADA. The ADA cost gauge for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to $0.562934. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be slow, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $0.525405 in cost is very aggressive, however it is plausible sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headways. ADA is supposed to have a base worth of $0.450347. Cardano, ADA, value expectation 2024. Out of 2024, Cardano ADA cost forecast has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of ADA will before long outperform $0.938224. Nonetheless, we ought to hold on to check whether the ADA's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, ADA will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.750579 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.825637. Cardano, ADA, value forecast 2025. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $1.31, and ADA might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. ADA is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $1.20 and a low of $1.13 in 2025. Cardano, ADA, value expectation 2026. In the event that Cardano effectively helps market opinion among cryptographic money lovers, the ADA coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ADA will be green in 2026. The ADA is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $1.69, with a base cost of $1.50 and a typical cost of $1.58. Cardano, ADA, value expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the ADA cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $1.95 by 2027, with a base cost of $1.88 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, ADA has a most extreme value worth of $2.06. Cardano, ADA, value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $2.33. In the event that ADA figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $2.44. Neglecting to assemble the help ADA needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $2.25. Cardano, ADA, value expectation 2029. While ADA is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $2.63 and a yearly cost close above $2.81 in 2029. Cardano, ADA, value forecast 2030. By 2030, Cardano will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $3 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $3.19, averaging out at $3.08. Cardano, ADA, value expectation 2031. The cryptographic money market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gauging is a troublesome undertaking. Bitcoin wisdom makes an honest effort to figure future price tags with accuracy, but all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should do your own examination. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest ADA cost in 2031 is projected to be $3.68 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $3.53. End Cardano.